everybody, my name is Tony M. Music, and I want to share a little teeny tiny intro song that I use occasionally when I'm visiting preschools or play groups. We use this at the beginning just to kind of get to know each other and just so I can recall and memorize names. So this is a little name song, and I like to remember to ask children, especially if they're old enough to verbalize this, if they would like their name sung in a song, because not everybody likes that attention, so it's nice to ask. So this song can be used by some groups. Let's see, preschool classrooms, yes. Let's see, home school groups right there. Let's see, so library story times, perfect during library story times. Judy centers, excellent for Judy centers throughout the state of Maryland. Primary grades, that's your K1 and 2. Let's see here, parent groups there. And then finally, any other group that might be interested in using this. So really it there's no age restriction on it. It's really just who would like to use it. So here's our song. I'm going to use some names of my animals. So we have a few animals at our house. I'm going to incorporate those into the song. You can use whatever names you want. I would suggest, though, if you have a big classroom and you're doing this in pre-K, let's say you have 20 kids, you may want to pick and choose throughout the week because this song could get pretty long. So, but you know what? There's no playbook on. There's no right or way to do this. It's up to you. All right. So everybody's sitting around. You start off with a clapping pattern. And the words are very simple. And the song repeats over and over again. And I'm going to give you 2 ways to sing it. Here's the first one. I've got a friend that's here today. I've got a friend and I want to say, hello, Ivy, hello, friend. I'm so glad you're here today. That's the first way. The second way, I said I'm glad. So the second way, we can all say, if we're singing in a group, you may want to say we. And that way, all of us are happy you're here. Let's do it the second time. We've got a friend that's here today. We've got a friend and we want to say, hello, Finley, hello, friend. We're so glad you're here today. And then you can just repeat it and repeat it. Let's sing it one more time. I'm gonna put my little dog Tucker in there. He's a little pug, so let's put him in the song. I've got a friend that's here today. I've got a friend and I want to say, hello, Tucker, hello, friend. I'm so glad you're here today. And after you've gone through the names you're gonna go through, I think it's also fun and appropriate to end with a drum roll. Yeah. Boom. And then you got to do a rock on. Yes. All right. Here, I hope you use that song. I hope it brings you and your students or your friends or your play groups lots of fun. And if you get a chance, let me know how it goes. And if you do a different version of it, let me know that too. All right. Thank you all. See you next time.